Hey guys, today we're going to be installing EL wire on a 2019 Accord. Here's a finished product. First, this is a 2019 sports model, so we got to take off the tweeter. All you need is a plastic prior tool. Just pull towards you. It's really easy. It does have two of these plastic little rivet things. Sometimes they break, sometimes they don't. They usually come off pretty easy. Just pull towards you. As you can see, that one almost fell off, but it's there. And then you do have to disconnect your tweeter, and it's a bit tight. The wires are a bit, not pulled too far. You don't have a lot of playroom with it, but you're able to get it off. So disconnect your tweeter, and then we got to move down to the controls for the window and lock. All you need is a flathead. Stick it in there and kind of twist a little bit, or just pull straight up. If you twist, you're going to damage the plastic, but if you just stick it and pull straight up, it usually comes up really good. Just pull nice and firm, and there it is. I'm going to show you. I already did the install of the wire, and all I did, I just ran it in that groove. I didn't have to cut it. I didn't really have to force anything. And yeah, so then you just start pulling the door panel all the way around. Then there's that screw that you have to get rid of. Make sure you unhook those wires. See the EL wire going through the door there? Perfect. Now for the rear, you got to take that part off first. And again, you just pull towards you with that plastic pry tool right in there. Pull towards you just like that. And then for the door panel itself, you have that screw there, right in there too. And it's just like the front. You need a flathead, pull towards you, it'll pop out. And then there's a little dip right there. You just start pulling the panel, just pull towards you all the way around. Once you pop it all the way around, you kind of have to like pull up and out. See, up and out, and it should come out real quick. Now the hardest part is running your wires through. So you have to run it through there, and all I did, I used a coat hanger. Of course I twisted the end so it's nice and round, pulled it through that plastic. So you got to pull those plastics off from both sides, run your wire through. It'll dump down at the bottom there, and you just pull that towards the front as much as you can. So it'll show through there, and you just pull it forward as much as you can. And it's pretty much the same on the front doors. And this is what it looks like at the end. So you want to pull the wires all the way to the center console. For those of you that have that little power outlet there, there's a little hole underneath the plastic. The EL wire fits right through those little holes. And as you can see, sometimes it looks off, but it's just based on the angle of view. Once I lower down the angle of view of the camera, you can see the wire looks complete. But if you change the angle, you see how it looks like it's broken up or thin in other places. That's just the angle of view, but it works out really good, and it's not as bright, and that's what I was going for. I don't want a bright look, I just want a little highlight on the doors to stand out. Thanks for watching. Give it a like.